getting a lot written today.
Yes.
Weather forecast said it is going to snow tonight.
What do you want me to do about it?
Come on, Scar, don't be so grouchy.
I'm not being grouchy, I just wanna finish my work.
Okay, I understand. I'll come back and maybe you will let me read something then.
Jack, let me explain something to you. Whenever you come in and interrupt me, you're breaking my concentration. You're distracting me. And then it will take me time to get back to where I was. Understand?
Yeah.
Fine, and we're gonna make a new rule. When I'm in here and you hear me typing. Whether you don't hear me typing, whatever the fuck you hear me doing in here, that means I am working. That means don't come in. Now do you think you can handle that?
Yeah.
Fine. Why don't you start right now and get the bloody hell out of here?
Okay.